Check out this car wrap. Wow. Looks like a candy. Can't even guess what it is. Awesome. Oh, that's that video, what it's called? YouTube channel, Daily Driven Exotics. Okay. They upload every day. Has million of subscribers. Is it Canadian guy? Yeah. He drives this thing from Canada, I don't know why. Always come to Beverly Hills to harass local cops. Okay. There's car show on Rodeo Drive, 2 blocks away. Why is this car here? Daily driver. Yeah. I saw Daily Driver in Exotics, but I don't remember what he looks like, that guy. This one has a camera. Check out my video tour channel, Dashcam Tours, on YouTube.